Hey, I'm Evan, Head of Engineering for RMSTATOR, and we are super excited to launch our brand new line of Harley direct replacement products. So we've been working on these for about the last year, and we're very proud of these. We have some high quality replacement parts for Harleys from shovel heads and Sportsters on up to current Milwaukee 8 models. So again, the whole line, we're making the complete charging system, stators, flywheels, and voltage regulators. We have a lot of our RMSTATOR improvements that we've learned from doing lots of our high power systems for side-by-sides, and we've baked all these improvements into our Harley charging system parts. So we want you to pay attention. We're really excited to get these on the market. We think they're going to be a big deal and really successful, so we're excited to get them to you. I'm a Harley guy myself. I love them, particularly old Harleys, shovel heads, and Evolution motors. So we've got my old FXR here that runs our parts. And we did a lot of testing and development on that. And it's just great to get them out in the field. So I want to show you just a cross section of them, some examples. We'll do some close-ups here going over these. Our stator line, we have a lot of the improvements we've learned from doing high power stators on side-by-sides baked into our Harley stators. So we use our thin laminations, what we call our edge laminations. That is a very thin plate, about 50% thinner than the OEM plates that make up the core of the stator. That helps pull heat out of the windings and dissipate it, so we get more reliability out of the windings. Our stators otherwise use OEM wire links, high temperature insulation on the wire, OEM style grommets, so it gives you everything you need for a direct OEM type installation. We also include mounting bolts as well for many of the stators to make it super easy. So just a good cross section here. We have some older Evolution shovel head stators. We have twin cam 3-phase stator, Sportster, and Milwaukee 8 over here. Our voltage regulators, all of our line of Harley voltage regulators is a MOSFET type. They run cooler than the OEM type and they're very reliable. We make them in all of the OEM housings. You can see over here we have the older style Evolution, Sportster, all the old bike uses a little square regulator or rectangular housing here. We make that just like OEM wire links, premium wire insulation, ring terminals, everything you need to be a direct bolt-in, along with the rubber plugs. We make them in the touring style housings with the standoff legs, and the round style housings, the kind of triangular style housings, all the OEM direct plug and play housings to make for a super simple installation. And again, they're all MOSFET types, so super cool, super reliable, and plug and play with OEM style connectors. So very happy to have those available. We've learned a ton about building great regulators, and we put all that into our Harley line. Now, flywheels we're really proud of. All of our flywheels, we cap the magnets inside. So I'll show you a couple examples here of some other cheap aftermarket flywheels, and this is comparable to a lot of OEM Harley flywheels. You can see the bare magnets inside. So even a lot of the Harley flywheels will say no sharp blows etched into the flywheel to tell you don't take it off with an impact gun or anything, because those magnets are prone to shaking loose. I've taken apart many older bikes with loose magnets, and it is pretty catastrophic damage. So all of our flywheels have completely stainless steel capped shields inside to protect the magnets. Our magnets are attached to the shell with a marine grade epoxy. They do not come loose, but if they ever did, or you had a mounting bolt for a stator come loose, your protected magnets are protected inside, so they cannot be broken and get magnet fragments into your oil or your primary side. Otherwise, the flywheels are balanced, include the spacers where necessary, OEM style grooves for the splines on the crankshaft. So just a direct replacement, really easy to install, but all of our upgrades we've learned from building flywheels over the years built right in. So there's a good overview of the line. Please take a look. We're really happy to get this out there and help keep your Harley on the road.